When it comes to modern meeting solutions, flexibility is the name of the game. Today, I speak with Lumens to find out how their products are revolutionizing the meeting space with flexibility and simplicity. I'm here with Joris from Lumens. It's a big year, ISE 2025. We've seen a lot of change in the past few years, especially in office environments, return to work, hybrid working. Needs have changed, right?
Yeah.
How does Lumens fit into this ever-evolving market in the meeting space?
So what we try to do here, and thank you first for being here, what we try to do is bring simplicity and flexibility into our product. That means you don't need 4 different products to add your audio, your video, your high quality equipment into your PC. How to do it with one single cable, click, forget, and just go on with your daily task.
Of course, and connect and forget is a big part of your messaging here at the show. You've got quite the product offering here. Can you tell me a bit about what's on show here at the booth and its place in the market?
Yeah, so what we do is we have a whole series of OIP Bridge products, and what they do is they can take in Dante audio, Dante video, but also NDI or RTSP streams. They can convert that with one single box into USB. So you have a webcam basically made of any camera available onto your network, and then we can take the display of your PC and stream that to any location and then convert it back to HDMI to the back of the TV. So that means you can use high-end quality audio devices from Dante and high-end quality video devices as your meeting room equipment.
And that's so important for integrators, because keeping it on that Dante network makes the maintenance, the troubleshooting, the connectivity so much simpler for everybody.
And it makes it also for guys who installed a lot of audio before. They know the whole Dante environment, they know how to work with the domain manager. Now they have that same platform, that same security as they had before on the audio, they can do. So that also means it needs less training hours for your technical people, because they already know the platform, they just need to integrate the video as well.
Absolutely, and when it comes to the meeting room, there's always multiple brands at play, and Lumens isn't just standing alone here. You've got several partners you're working with here at the show in terms of your products. What's going on there?
So of course with Dante, we work with any brand. We have your Yamaha, your Shure, your any Biam, for example, everybody who does the Dante. But we also have a Cam Connect product. So what is that? It's you have a microphone, and it's the whole meeting equity. So we want to see who is speaking and bringing you out as big as the far end side, for example, who is alone. And for that, we work together with brands like Shure, Yamaha, Nureva, Sennheiser, to bring that high quality meeting experience into your room.
It sounds like collaboration on a whole new level. Joris, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.